Maybe rinse it in water and then
si Joey na lang yun.
I was like, kuya, do I have to eat it?
Ako na talaga.
Hinintay kasi kita eh.
Bigo.
Beef burger po ba?
Bagel
Oh, kanina, before.
beef burger. Sabi ni Kuya, pinya muna.
Ang nalawag. Kuya, pakonsulate. Si Tinya.
Ang nag-iisang babae.
Pakahiya!
Ay ikaw,
Kakahiya!
Tin.
Nagkakulit talaga! Gusto mo na makakain?
Handa na kayo para sa round.
Kung halimbawa, kang Ruben, gusto ko si Agbayani. Kung sa kang...
Ikaw na next, Jericho.
Yeah.
Tapos na si Kraton?
Hindi pa.
And you don't care how long
Sino
Yeah,
next?
as long as you finish.
The whole day, you want, you can do it. No time limit.
Oh. Kasi...
Kailangan stay.
Pero, mahal.
Oh, ikaw na.
Mahal.
Talo ka, kawawa ka.
No.
And I wouldn't try to run.
Thanks.
Sarap!
Digest yung akin dyan.
Yes, go Kuya Ton.
Just go like, di madali. Hindi madali. Ako ang gutom na gutom.
Gutom ako. Joya, saan ka punta?
Sa logo.
Ano po
Isipin mo, merong babae sa logo.
Hindi ko lang naiwan sa babae.
Ha?
Yeah. Look. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Wendy.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Kirita mo.
Yeah, I don't like their burgers.
Wendy. I am you.
I like their, what is that?
I like their
Chicken sandwiches.
The frosty?
Yeah, me too. Oh my God, sarap.
Oh yeah, me too. Oh my gosh,
Oh my God, ang sarap. Oh my God.
I think MDs have the best fries.
Yeah. Oh my God, sarap. Kuya.
NY.
I like fries and cheese fries. I like when they don't give you that.
Have you tried?
Before they used to give you that bucket. You remember that? What
Yeah.
happened to that?
We tried.
Wag na.
FD.
What
Camera.
NY?
New York fries.
Ang daming burger nun.
Or whatever.
Or whatever sa...
Basta all over.
Papataba.
Oh, okay. Then no, I haven't tried.
Syrup fries.
Yeah.
And their dips is good.
Huh?
Ano favorite mo doon? Garlic parmesan.
Honey mustard. Saka yun, garlic parmesan.
Ako
din naman.
Lahat naman tayo.
Dito?
Oh my God,
Meron
ang
dito?
sarap.
We're going there too then.
Tingnan ko ba talaga asin
Oh my God.
Tingnan ko ba talaga asin kay Kuya?
Sa mga movie.
Ano nga kami sa lahat ng mga tao.
Well, can I just get a pen and pencil to write these things down?
Sabi ni Kuya.
Nagutom tuloy ako.
Parang ano? Sabi doon sa kanya ni Kuya. Kumain daw siya.
Tapos,
Ang dahil talaga tulo-tulo dito. Tapos sabit-sabit daw ni Kuya. Sabi daw niya.
Sayang yan, wala ka tuloy yung burger.
I thought I was gonna be more fruit. Akala ko meron pa frutas.
Ang nakuha mo ay
Yun
for the
pala
8
yung
years.
Hindi, last round na ito?
Kuya lang. Anetch.
Oo. Pag di ulan hangin.
Wait, talaga, that's what you guys say? Kung meron ng ulan, meron chismis?
Yeah.
Bakit?
Nire-replace lang namin yun. Kasi diba bawal mo sabihin yung outside word.
Oh.
So,
May camera.
Nagkapang-distract din si Kuya. Akala mo ba?
yun yung unang bite ko. Sabi ko pa,
halimbawa,
kasi nakita ko si Jericho.
Ang bilis ni Jericho.
mga batang naman doon, nalingi
Tapos na?
Halos sabay lang kami.
Ikaw na next vegan.
Sino next Kuya set? Ikaw? Ako?
Ano?
Gutom na ako.
Gora.
You got this, Spiegel.
Yes. You're my idol.
Ano mo, gawa ka ng asin?
Feeling kasi Seth.
Si Seth? Like,
All of a sudden, you try to like
kahit ang ibibig.
No. Panalo.
Panalo. That's the word I was looking for.
Pero hindi naman
I know words. Pero I forget.
It's okay. Practice lang. Gusto ko talaga yung burger.
I want one too now. Kuya, he's gonna grab some for us.
Yeah, please. Kuya.
Kuya, wala na.
Gusto yung suka.
Ganyan mo, Tintin, represent.
Sarap ng fruits. Sana fruits na lang.
Sarap nga ng fruits eh.
Fruits that taste
I miss melon. Oh, yun yung unang-una ko. Sarap. Tapos yung apple. Paano mo kinagas, no?
Pinag-gash ako. Hindi. Una, yung bite-bite lang. Tapos pinutol ko.
Ako yung una pa lang.
Sobrang tagal. Tagal ko kaya.
Kakahiya.
Paano ikaw? Nagkain ng mansana?
Huh?
Paano? Just like that?
Hindi, ikaw na next.
Alright, Bigo.
Okay.
Pwede ako next. Or by order.
Ako.
Handa na po ang tanghalian.
Why don't you go eat first? And then, just to warm up.
That's a good strategy.
Kung gusto mo.
Yun na. Ayun.
Long shot ito si Jericho.
Ano lang siya?
Long shot yung chance mo.
Bawal yung
Malaki
piece
kumain.
by piece, no?
Ito, malakas mo.
Jericho. Bawal piece by piece.
You'll know it basta pag nakapasok.
You'll know it once. You know everything that's in your mind, your question. Whatever your question is. Oh! Basa. Come on, man. They always do that to me. Every time like she finished, so about It's good. It's good to hear. I'm gonna try.
Maariba na si Iting.
Ano?
Maariba. Iting na ariba.
Tapos, mag-interview. You know, absolutely.
Mani Pacquiao Absolutely.
Sige, nanonood yun.
You know, absolutely.
Sabihin yung top 3.
Top 3 for the next one?
Usually they
Ayoko yan, kuya. Ayoko na.
Kaya mo.
Nahihiya ako kay kuya.
Why?
And the whole world. Grabe naman yun si Patrimonio.
Kawawa ka man dyan.
Mahirap ito na challenge pag nagbagong buhay ka.
Ang kanin?
Ano?
Saing.
Lagi mo kumain, ganyan.
Ba yan?
No, actually marunong ako. Yeah. Kasi masyadong marami. I usually cook for like ilan cups of lang. Aron.
Kuya
Not
Ete,
sure. I cook 1:1, right? No, 1:2.
magsasaing.
Di ba 1:2?
And I use a different technique.
1:2.
Gigoy
Yung
Sama
rice.
technique.
Yeah.
He's like, kulang, it's too big.
One rice.
I'm like, no. I cook rice at home too. Like, I know how to cook. No, bust down, kulang. I'm like, alright. And then he just, like, took over and stuff. And then he started adding more water. I'm like, alright. Because I use my knuckles. That's how my grandma and my mom taught me.
Kuya, nahihiya ako.
Bilis. Hotdog yun.